Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very healthy paneer sandwich recipe. This is one of the most delicious and easy sandwich recipes which can be prepared without much effort. So let's see what all ingredients are required to make this mixed vegetable paneer sandwich. This is really healthy. We need some grated carrots, finely chopped cabbage, capsicums I am using yellow and green, and we need paneer cubes. Here I am using frozen paneer cubes. This one we need to soak in warm water for 10 minutes before cooking. Let's prepare mixed vegetable paneer filling for this healthy sandwich. Heat a pan, pour 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil is hot enough, adding chopped vegetables, carrots, cabbage, all these veggies will get cooked very quickly. We need to just saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Adding chopped capsicums, which makes this filling even more colorful. You can even add more vegetables into this, like finely chopped broccoli and all. Adding some masala, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, one teaspoon of pepper powder. You can reduce the spice level if you are preparing this for kids. Half teaspoon of mango powder, which gives a very slight tangy flavor for this filling. Mix well. Adding some salt. Sprinkle a little bit of water just to combine everything. Now we can add crumbled paneer into this. Drain water from this paneer cubes and crumble it using our hand. Mix well. So our paneer filling is ready. Check salt at this time and add if required. This is not too dry, it's a kind of moist filling. So let's prepare paneer sandwiches. Here I have milk bread slices. Adding filling into this. For this sandwich I am not using any kind of sandwich spread or chutneys. Let's toast these sandwiches. Pan is hot, I am rubbing some ghee. Place the sandwiches and toast this until they get crispy and golden in color both sides. Keep the flame in medium and flip the sides. These are very tasty sandwiches which you can send in your kids' tiffin box. So our healthy and nutritious paneer sandwich is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Until next video. Bye bye.